All right, we are set. All right. All right, we are set. All right, all right. So I'm not really gonna expect too much out of today. I really am not gonna expect too much because we have CPI tomorrow, so I'm not gonna expect too much. Yeah. Yep, 9:30 open, about 4 minutes. 4 minutes. We're still in this hourly fair value gap though. Yeah, I'm not gonna expect too much today. Tomorrow we have CPI at 8:30, and on the 15-minute time frame, it kind of looks like a seek and destroy type of daily profile, especially after taking London high on ES while NQ didn't. I like the reaction from his 4-hour FEG though. The way the way news released out this 4-hour inversion, respected it. I like that though. But I'm not gonna expect too much today. I want to see how we react from this hourly fair value gap though. Because if we do respect this hourly FEG and close below it, then I'll definitely look for shorts. We have 9:30 in about 1 minute. Open. 4-hour candle. We do close around this area, and there's a potential probability that's probably going to target the highs. But I want to see how we close with this 4-hour candle. All right, 9:30 open. S&T's at the lows. All right, so we're coming back to the 15-minute fair value gap. I would prefer for us to just see these type of reactions from this daily fair value gap, because I have two scenarios in mind. We either respect this daily fair value gap and go lower, or we close above this hourly fair value gap and just seek the news release high. All right, let's see where we do. We took this low out on NQ, but we didn't take this low on ES. I'm gonna mark this black. So NQ is either going to take this high or it's going to take this low down here. It's a VPR right here. It's going to trade right into it. $930 open. above the opening of like 30. It's running. Left that as a breakaway. But then we had that retest of this change state delivery. Ever since PPI release, we just been in this range. So it's looking either for the liquidity above or the liquidity below from the past hourly candle. So 9:30 came down, retesting the 15-minute fair value gap. Then we had SMTs at the lows. And now it kind of looks like it just wants to go for the previous hourly high. Wow, look at that change in state of delivery level. Like it just taps it perfectly. Now we're retesting this area again. So NQ took this high, ES didn't. Testing it once more. So like on futures on NQ and ES, London took out both high and low of Asia. So you see how like on ES we took the high of London, but NQ didn't. We have SMTs at the highs. So that's why I don't really want to take any bullish setups or any bullish trades because I'm actually bearish for like previous daily low. But until we see that hourly get inverted, which is like in about 18 minutes, I'm still going to be bearish. But it is PPI, so the day before CPI, so this is expected. Just a range back and forth type of daily profile. That is so satisfying to see. The way it just taps that change state delivery. Hello. Yeah, that opening range gap was crazy. Like overnight, or I think it was yesterday, we gapped up just to fill that daily FEG above us. It was in a hurry to get there. Yeah. Also, look at this look at 830. You see how 830 just you see how 830 was within this 4-hour inversion and it respected it and then just sent it running all this liquidity. So all this lower resistance liquidity run, like look at this. All this LR was literally just wiped out. This was very clean. So 830 respecting this 4-hour inversion and then just wiping out all this liquidity. All right, let's see what we do here. Okay, little small S&T here. I don't really want to take any long setups today because on the 4-hour time frame, like I'm bearish from this daily SIBI, and also we have S&Ts with ES right now on the highs. So if I see this, I don't really want to take any long setups. Even if they look clean, I'm probably just gonna read the price, but I'm not really gonna take any long setups. Yeah, the 850 highs. So it's disrespecting that S&T coming back down. If we're stuck in this range, then this wait is best to wait just for 10 o'clock. If we don't take any of these highs and lows before 10 o'clock, then yeah, we're probably just going to be stuck in this range here. I'm going to extend this 15-minute out. But you see, this is why I'm looking at this hourly fair value gap here. Because at one point we were all the way up here. But I need to see the closure of this candle first. Because if you were to enter longs here, targeting this high, this whole entire pullback would have got you out the position. So I need to see the closure of this hourly, which is in about 11 minutes. So I got to be patient here. If I'm bearish, I want to see the closure of this hourly candle below this fair value gap. That way, when the next hourly candle opens, I can try to position myself within the wick and then target these lows. But if we close above, then that's going to validate my idea of being bearish. I'll mark out the 9 a.m. open, which is right around here. We're below the 9 a.m. open right now. Yeah, this is a very ugly hourly candle. But the fact that the fact that 8 a.m. took out 7 a.m.'s low, this would mean that the next candle would be targeting the high as a reversal. But when that 9 a.m. opened, we failed to take the high. And now we're looking like we're going to close around the opening price. So what can this tell me for the next hourly candle? If we fail to take this high, and we have S&Ts also, then that could give me a potential probability of us probably going lower and taking out this low. That's if we close below this hourly FEG though. So in 8 minutes, we're going to see how we close around this area. So we're in the macro right now, 950 to 1010 macro. Below the midnight open and weekly open. Yeah, I don't like how NQ didn't manage to take this high and is below the hourly SIBI. So this orange box right here. And now we're below the 9 a.m. open as well. So we're about to have 10 a.m. open or the new 4-hour candle in about 6 minutes. So I'm going to be patient here and wait for that opening. I'm also going to draw some deviations from this swing point to this swing low. So that way I can see where price is likely to expand towards. All right, so this 15-minute looks like it's going to be inverted. So I'm still going to leave it here though. Look at that fair value gap right here. As soon as time aligns with the PD array, we're just seeing this sell off. You have this silver bullet zone here above. Gotta wait 5 minutes though. I don't really want to enter at this fair value gap. I'm gonna wait 5 minutes until the 10 a.m. open. I actually want this hourly candle to be an inside candle because that would mean that the next candle is going to be aggressive because this is like a type of candle that doesn't take the previous high or the previous low. It just stays within the range. So if we close around this area, I'll prefer that. If we don't, then that's fine. All right, 3 more minutes until 10 a.m. open. I like this macro, this time window right here. All right, so this 15-minute candle is delivering about 126 points already. So this 15-minute candle has some weight. Has some weight on it. All right, one more minute until 10 a.m. open. 1 minute 30 seconds. All right, yeah, this macro is just delivering price beautifully. This fair value gap right here, the first one inside the macro, and then you have this one, your silver bullet zone, which is your second fair value gap in the macro. And then you have liquidity resting below right here. All right. So we have about 18 more seconds until 10 a.m. opens. We're gonna see how we react from here. I like the closure though. I like the closure of the 10 a.m. open. Yeah. London lows looks good to target as well. But here is 10 a.m. open. I'm gonna see if 10 a.m. open can at least retrace into this FEG up here. And we'll see if we get an entry from there. If not, then it's probably just gonna run the lows quickly. But let's see how we're looking. Yeah, this retracement looks good here. This FEG. I'd be risking like 20 points if price does retrace back. All right. I'm gonna see.
Order submitted.
Let me see if I can try this short here on the pullback to this FEG. And then target this low down here. Because this FEG looks good to
Order
just
filled.
go in. If price does push back up, then it's likely just wanting to print the wick first, but I'm gonna see if I can get this trade in. If it doesn't pan out, then that's fine. But I'm gonna target this low down here. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna stop me out right here. Yeah. If it stops me out, then I'll see how price trades again. But I do like shorts though. So it's retesting this change the delivery level here.
Stop filled.
Alright, yeah, I got stopped down this for value gap. Alright, we're gonna see if we invert this for value gap though. If we invert it, then I'll look for shorts again. So it's retesting the silver bullet zone. Yeah, I think I got in way too early on shorts here. We're gonna see if we invert this for value gap. Yeah, I probably got in shorts too early. I'm gonna see if we can at least trade up to this level. So if we invert this for value gap, I'm gonna see if I can go short one more time. We do have a fair value gap above right here though. See if we can trade up to this 5-minute and then look for a 1-minute inversion. So maybe something like this, come up, retest, and then just continue pushing down. And this is going to be my second trade, and if it doesn't pan out, then I'll just wait for CPI tomorrow. ES already took this high out. Yeah, I think I got in shorts too early. Because normally you want to see like the wick being printed first and then looking for that distribution below the opening. So I think I did get in shorts too early. Did we take this high out? No, we didn't take this high out. So let's see if we push back up here to this 5-minute. All right, there we go. So we pushed into this 5-minute. I want to see if we can invert this for value gap here. So we tapped equilibrium and the 5-minute CB. All right, this is a hell. Yeah, this is. Yeah, we're coming up. We're 15-minute change state delivery. We also traded up into premium of this range. 5-minute time frame. We're still in this 5-minute here. So we trade into this 5-minute fair value gap. We're trading into premium. See what kind of reaction we have from this area. Mm-hmm. Thirty more seconds into this 5-minute closure. All right. Yeah, if I'm bearish, I don't want to see this type of candle closure because we closed above this 5-minute fair value gap with this strong displacement, but we're still at premium of this range. Unless we're just gonna chop all day because I still like London lows though. I just don't like the way the candles are printing for us to trade lower. So we have 10 a.m. open above equilibrium at premium. And then we're retesting this 5-minute change state delivery level, which is the 930. I don't want to see a candle closure above 930 though if I'm bearish. Trading into this 5-minute imbalance here. Yeah, I don't like the way we're looking here. This looks more bullish now. We had the accumulation right here, and we had that manipulation to this downside. Yeah, I don't like this if I'm bearish. Because here, on this trade, so here on this trade, I took this loss right here. Very, very small loss, right? I went short at this 1 minute fair value gap to target this previous 4-hour low, which was right next to this low. So this was like my low hanging fruit objective. But you see how we had that run up back again? Yeah, this looks more bullish than bearish. Aggressive 1 minute candle. Yeah, hourly time frame looks hideous. It's just ranging back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. It doesn't look good on the hourly. If I were to trade today, I would not be risk on. I'll be risk off. So like not a lot of risk if I were to trade, just because you have CPI tomorrow. So I wouldn't put a lot of risk on your trades if you were to trade today. Yeah, we're closing back above now. If you look at ES and then Q on the 15, it doesn't look that good. You have a breaker with the fair value gap here. This looks good here.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Yeah. At first, I was bearish for these lows, but then we see this 4-hour inversion being supported. I wonder how CPI is going to do tomorrow, though. This will be interesting.
Order canceled.
Yeah. I wonder how CPI is going to trade tomorrow. Yeah, I don't like the 15-minute at all. Doesn't look good at all. Yeah, that looks hideous. The 15-minute looks hideous. Just a lot of range back and forth. Type of PA. Yeah, this does not look good. Yeah, we just been stuck inside this range since 8 o'clock. This high and this low, just been inside this bubble.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get that entry. I want to see if we can at least retrace back up into this change to delivery to then see the sell off taking previous 4 hour low.
Order canceled.
Yeah, probably not gonna get that entry. Yeah, I don't like how we've been in this range since 8 o'clock. But London lows looks good. Now we're back below the 10 a.m. open.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
All right. 10 a.m. open, below 10 a.m. open. Yeah, we didn't get that entry. Yeah, we didn't get the entry. That's fine. But at least we're finally gonna get out this range.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I don't like the way this looks, but it is a tight range day, especially with CPI tomorrow. So this is expected. Yeah, I don't like the way this looks. I'm gonna end the live stream because this is like watching paint dry. Look at your 15-minute chart, and then, and then you'll see what I mean. But I'm gonna end the live stream. I hope you guys have a good day. Enjoy your day and be safe, guys. Oh, what's up, Richard? Glad today. Yeah.